Hey you guys, now I know you saw that title, so come on, let's go ahead and make some delicious, fluffy, very moist blueberry pancakes from scratch. Let's go.
It's
Really? Say it again.
It's beautiful.
Okay guys, so you saw the title, so we are making blueberry pancakes. I am starting off with everything already mixed together. The flour, the baking powder, the baking soda, the salt, the sugar. So all of this is already here. And my girls are in here and they're gonna help me. So let's go ahead and whisk it all together. Slowly, slowly. Good job.
Jasmine, stop that.
Okay. You hold the bowl for me. Hold the bowl for me and I'll whisk it. Let go of
Yeah,
this.
help. Help.
So this is all mixed together. Next, we're gonna work on our dry ingredients. Okay, you guys, so now we're on the wet ingredients side of this portion. So like I said, here we got the dry ingredients already mixed, whisked together. Here we got our wet ingredients, well, the beginning of them. Here's just the buttermilk and 1 egg so far. So come on, honey, you're gonna help me with the vanilla extract. 2 teaspoons, 1. Another one.
Yeah. We did 3 more.
And you put the top on. No, this calls for 2. Okay, so we have our vanilla extract, and now it's time for
Oil.
our 2 tablespoons of oil. 2. Okay, we're gonna give that a whisk, and that'll be the next step.
You
We're gonna
need
whisk this together.
Yeah, I help.
Yeah. Go in a circular motion. Okay. Big circles, little circles, big circles, little circles. Okay.
That's enough.
Yeah.
That's my turn.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so now time for the fun part. It is time to mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients.
Okay.
And after this all gets mixed, and we're going to do the next fun part, which is add your fruit of choice. Ours for today is blueberries.
Blueberry.
Yeah.
Blueberry.
All right, keep mixing it, honey. Like I said, my girls are helping me. Keep going. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, all right, mommy's turn. You're doing a good job, though. Okay, guys, so when you get to a consistency, something like this, with a little bit of small lumps, which is perfect to help everything rise the way you want it to be, then this is what you're looking for.
Let go.
Right here. So now it's time to add the blueberries. Okie dokie, time for the blueberries.
Yay, blueberry.
It's about a cup there. So as you see, we have switched from the whisk to just a small spoon because we don't need the whisk at this point anymore. We don't want blueberries getting all stuck in between the wires of the whisk. So we're gonna just go ahead and stir this up.
Sit down.
Good job, honey. All right, so this is looking real good. So it is beautiful, honey. So at this stage, we are ready to go ahead and grill up some pancakes.
Are you spinning on Mommy's flowers? Yep. We're going to be done soon, so we'll have to call Daddy soon.
2 small ones.
2 small ones, and then 2 big ones, and then 3 that's what? And then 4 big ones, and then 5 big ones, and a spoon.
So you want to have medium heat, and you want to have some oil and some butter, unsalted butter in your pan.
Mama.
Yep, before you put your pancake mix in. So as you see, I'm cooking 2 at a time. And when the little circles on the edges start to form, it is time to flip it over. Okay, so these are the first 2 so far. And they are nice and fluffy though. Like, look how fat that is. Oh, yes.
We got it a lot.
Yes, so we're going to get to the next batch. All right, so we got our next 2 in. Got to add some more oil and some butter into your pan. It is almost time to flip. I'm seeing some bubbles going on that side. I'm going to rotate my pan. Ready for that one to get ready. Here are the first 2 so far. Yummy, yummy. Ooh, look at these. Look at these. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. Yeah, these two came out looking real good. So yeah, that's what you want. This pretty color here, this pretty color here. Very nice. So that's this side. But look how big they are. Look how thick they are. Nice and big. Very nice. This one as well. Nice and thick. A nice fat thick.
And fluffy. Fluffy. Yum, yum, yum.
Okay, so that's that.
Pancake!
Yeah.
I'm only gonna take a bite.
Look how thick that is. All right, you guys, here is the final product. They are beautiful, they are fluffy, they are delicious. So show your girl some love. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe to the channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you look forward to the next recipe videos that I have coming down the pipeline. Thanks, bye-bye. Okie dokie, time for the blueberry.
Yay!
Alright, so we got our next two in. Gotta add some more oil.